What do you get when you combine a slightly overpacked RV, an adventure-obsessed puppy, and a grandma with a brand new knee? Well, we're about to find out. In this episode, we're rolling north on the Oregon coast in search of ocean views, hidden campgrounds, national parks, and long sandy beaches. This was the perfect way to begin our national parks tour of 2025. Enjoy Oregon. Girl. Here it goes. That's a good girl. Yes, it is. That's a good girl. Here she goes. Oh, that's a good girl. Oh, that's such a good girl. Maple, Maple, are you ready? Are you ready? Go! Of course, she's got two balls, so she can't decide between the two. Good girl! You ready? Go! Good girl! Here she comes. There she is. This is amazeballs. These are all pitcher plants. They're probably 3 feet tall. I mean, look at these guys. just goes and goes and goes. I mean, what? Yeah, this place is called Darlingtonia State Park in Oregon. And I saw it about, I don't know, 2 years ago somewhere on some YouTube something I watched. And I've always wanted to come here, and this is amazing. Come on. Water's really clear. You know, that doesn't really portray with the sun the way that it is, but that's a nice little swimming hole right there. Thinking that might be where both Maple and where Maple learns how to swim. Really, really, really beautiful. It was like a 2-minute hike from where we're parked. Ready? Go. Good girl. This is a good girl. Look at the good girl. Yes. Set, go! Here she comes! Oh, and distraction. Look at all those fishies just waiting to be caught. I mean, this doesn't get much more beautiful, right? Let's go. Come on, let's go. There you go. Good girl. It's a good girl. Ready? 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 Go! Boy, does this girl love to run. Look at her come! Look at her come! What a good girl! Check it out. You can drive on the beach here. This guy's driving. Maple's making friends. Maple, come! I don't really think I want to bring Penelope out here. Some of that sandy looks like that could be kind of dangerous. I don't want to do it. But Maple is having fun. Well, hello! Okay, I was trying to show you guys the jellyfish where the dogs are around. How cool!
Huge boulders where the spring is coming up, and there's turtles and fish and stuff that you swim in this swimming pool. There's a campground that's like $14 a day when we were there, and this beautiful pool, huge, beautiful pool.
Back to Penelope. You're just in this like dunes area. They're all covered with sand and whatever. Beach is over there. It's real pretty. Never coming back. And like, I think this is a great place for Penelope because she's going to be completely blocked from the wind as we come down this little hill. And ta-da! I think this is where we're staying tonight. My overall impression of Oregon was excellent. The people were so friendly, and the entire area was very welcoming and hospitable to RVers. And the scenery from the mountains to the ocean was just spectacular. Highly recommend. Thank you so much for watching. I'm creating the next episode now. Bye-bye.